We just need a couple more blocks and our base template will be ready to go. So let's create a block page header, which is going to act as an additional header on pages that extend this base template in case we want to put something at the top of those pages but underneath the main header. Obviously, we also need a place for our main page content itself to go. So I'll add a block content here. And last but not least, I'm going to add a spot for us to put JavaScript that we want to load at the end of the body. And I'll call that block postload.js. That should be everything we need in our base template for now. So let's save that and commit our changes. Git add dot. Git commit -m added blocks to base template. So we have a pretty robust base template now. Let's create a home app and extend the base template to get our home page up and running. First, we need to use Python 3 manage.py start app home to create the app itself. We need a templates directory inside the home app. So let's use make-dir-p to create parents as required, home/templates/home, and then let's right-click the inner home directory, new file, and create an index.html. Inside the index.html page, I'm first going to extend the base template with extends base.html, and load the static tag with load static so we can use static files as needed. Lastly, we just need a content block with some content in it. So let's start with block content. And inside that, I'll just add a simple h1 with class equals display4 and text success to ensure Bootstrap is working. And I'll add the text, it works. Of course, we need a view to render this template, so let's head into views.py and define an index view, which will simply render the index template. And I'll add a docstring here as well. A view to return the index page. Next, let's copy our project level URLs.py. Create a new file in the home app called urls.py and paste it in to use as a shell. I'll get rid of this long doc string. We won't need include here. And I'm just going to add one empty path to indicate that this is the root URL. And it's going to render views.index with a name of home. I'll also need to import views from the current directory here at the top. And I'll save that. And now go back to the project level URLs file and include the home URLs. The very last thing we need to do is add the home app to our installed apps in settings.py and wire up our template directories. So let's go there, add home to installed apps. And then add both the root templates directory and our custom all-auth directory to the template dirs setting. With all that finished, let's save and test it out. I'll start up the development server, open the project, and we land on our home page with "It works" rendered in the correct Bootstrap styles. So I'm going to go back and stop the server, git add dot, git commit -m, added home app and templates, and git push. In the next video, we'll start customizing the home page and the main page header.